Hello, my people, my friends. Today we are going to learn vocabulary word. Umunsi ugiye kwiga inshinga zivuga ku kirere. And we see what you do every day. Turi burebe n'icyo umuntu akora. Turi burebe n'ibyo dukora buri munsi. Ubwo ni ibice bibiri. This is two parts. Let's start. Sunny. Igihe cy'izuba ryinshi. Example, it is sunny today. Let's go to the beach. Uyu munsi hari izuba ryinshi, reka tujye ku mazi. Another example, she wore sunglasses because it was so sunny. Yambaye amarinete y'izuba kubera ko hariho izuba ryinshi. Thunder mu nkuba. Example, did you hear the thunder last night? It was so loud. Wigeze wumva inkuba mu ijoro ryashize? Yari iri kuvuga cyane. Two example, the kids are scared of the thunder during the storm. Abana batinya inkuba mu gihe iri gukubita hagati mu miraba. Loud the sounds in the sky during the storm. Igihe urusaku rwinshi rwumvikana. Cloud, ibicu. Cloud. Example, the sky look cloud today. Ikirere kiragaragaramo ibicu uyu munsi. Two example, urundi rugero rwa kabiri. It's cloud outside, I hope it doesn't rain. Hanze hari ibicu byinshi, nizeye ko imvura itari bugwe. Covered with cloud, not much sun. Igihe ibicu bikikije izuba ntirive ari ryinshi. Rain, igihe cy'imvura nyinshi. Let's see an example. Reka turebe urugero. It's rain outside, so don't forget your umbrella. Hanze hari imvura nyinshi, ntiwibagirwe umutaka. Wet with rain falling from the sky. Igihe hatose, imvura iri kumanuka iva mu kirere. Let's start another. Windy, umuyaga. Example, the trees are swinging because it's windy today. Ibiti biri kwicunda kubera ko hari umuyaga uyu munsi. Let's see another example. It's so windy that I can't hold my hat. Hari umuyaga mwinshi ntabwo nshobora gufata ingofero. Lots of wind blowing around. Ni igihe umuyaga mwinshi uri guhuha ahadukikije. Cold, ubukonje. Example, I wear jacket when it's cold. Nambaye ikote kubera yuko hakonje. Do you remember the lesson? Turi kwiga ibijyanye na vocabulary word. Turi kwiga hot, ubushyuhe. Example, the weather is hot in the summer. Ikirere kirashyushye kubera ko ari mu mpeshyi. Another example, it's so hot today, I need cold drinking. Harashyushye uyu munsi, nkeneye kunywa ibintu bikonje. Let's continue. Lightning, imirabyo. For example, lightning lit up the whole sky during the storm. Imirabyo iri kurabya hagati mu kirere mu gihe cy'imiraba. Two example, I saw flash of lightning in the sky. Nabonye utufureshi tw'imirabyo mu kirere. Let's continue part of 2. What do you do every day? Ni iki ukora buri munsi? I have a lunch at 12 p.m. Fata ifunguro rya saa sita zuzuye. I have a lunch at 12 p.m. I take nap on the couch. I take nap on the couch. Mbaye nirambitse ku ntebe. I drink tea in the afternoon. I drink tea in the afternoon. Nywa icyayi nyuma ya saa sita. I finish work by 6 p.m. Ndangiza akazi saa 12 z'umugoroba. I finish work by 6 p.m. I leave school at 4 p.m. I leave school at 4 p.m. Mva ku ishuri saa 10 zuzuye. I go home at 6:30 p.m. I go home at 6:30 p.m. Njya mu rugo saa 12 n'igice. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. Njya muri gym. I go shopping for groceries. I go shopping for groceries. Ngiye guhahira muri grocery. I play game with my friends. I play game with my friends. Nkina game n'inshuti. I cook dinner for myself. I cook dinner for myself. Ntetse ibiryo bya nimugoroba njyenyine. I have a dinner at 8 p.m. I have dinner at 8 p.m. Fata ibiryo bya nimugoroba saa 2 zuzuye. I whip the table after every meal. Mpanagura ameza nyuma ya buri mafunguro. I whip the table after every meal. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. Noza amadishi. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. Nkubura hasi. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. Nkoropa hasi. I mop the floor. I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Nshyira imyenda yanduye mu gatebo nkayijyana mu mashini. I do my homework. I do my homework. Ndi gukora umukoro wo mu rugo. I do my homework. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. Ndi kureba televiziyo nimugoroba. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. Ndi gusohora imyanda. I feed the dog twice a day. I feed the dog twice a day. Ngaburira imbwa kabiri ku munsi. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. Njya ku bwiherero. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. Noza amenyo nanone. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. Ndimo ndareba iteganyagihe. I read book before bed. I read book before bed. Nsoma igitabo mbere yuko njya kuryama. I lock the door. I lock the door. Ndi gufunga umuryango. Ndi gufunga serire. I change my phone every night. I change my phone overnight. Ndi gucaginga telefoni nijoro. I take lunch break. I take lunch break. Fata akaruhuko saa sita. I set my alarm for next day. I set my alarm for next day. Ndimo ndaregera alarm yo ku munsi ukurikiyeho. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. Ndi kuzimya itara. I turn off the light. I fell asleep at 1 p.m. I fell asleep at 1 p.m. Ntangira gusinzira saa saba za nijoro. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. I love you so much.